Hello humans, welcome back to my channel. We have a special guest today, my cat. We'll see how long he is allowed in here before he starts causing problems. Anyway, today I have a haul from ColourPop. They were having a sale, so naturally I had to go and buy a bunch of stuff. And also, since I just got rid of a bunch of stuff, I need to replenish my collection. So, let's open this up. Box. So, first product is a color stick. So here is the color stick. It all goes up nicely. I plan on using this as like an under eye, like waterline eyeliner, but it's also like a nice little skin color. It can make a good like lip liner. I think it's a very versatile color, which I very much like. I will swatch it on my arm here. There we go. That's the color. Tux is playing with the packaging now. Wonderful. Not for you! Not for you! Not for you! I love you, but not for you. Alright, second product is this So Juicy Plumping Gloss. So this comes in a nice little tube here. Holding it upside down. Whoops. Ooh, that looks nice. It smells like mint, which I love. Oh my gosh, you know what this reminds me of? When I was like really young, I had this one lip gloss. I think it was from Bath and Body Works or something. And it smelled exactly like this and I was obsessed with it. So I am so happy. I love how this smells. And it goes on very nicely. I didn't put that much on, but it looks cute. I like it. I also wanted to get some of the High School Musical collab while it was on sale. So I decided to buy these Just a Tint little lip things. What are they called? Lip crayons, that's what they're called. And I got all three colors of them. Okay, so this is the color Cello. It's a nice little red. Wow, I struggled with that. It has a little twist at the bottom so it can go up and down, very nice. And we'll swatch it on there. Very nice, I like it. Oh, that one opened easy. This is the second color I got, which is Status Quo. And it's a nice little like pinky orange color. Ooh, I like that one. That's very pretty. And this final one, which is, I don't know the name, Pop and Lock, which is a nice bright pink color. It's really hard to open. But we have, ooh, that's pretty. It's a nice bright pink. Since we're on lip products, let's go to the last lip product, which is this little lippy pencil and lippy sticks from the Snitchery collab. I don't know a ton about Snitchery, but I've seen her makeup on Instagram and I like it, so here we go. This is in the shade Female Gaze, which is the black one. Tux quit playing with the packaging. This is what I mean about how he's not allowed in my room when I'm filming stuff, because he will want to be in the middle of it. But anyway, as you can see, here is the lippy pencil. It's a nice black. Very nice. And here is the lippy stick. Also in black. Very nice. Ooh, that goes on so nice. Cute! I love it. You know, I thought I wouldn't like this packaging as much because it's like this like neon yellow color, but now that I have it in person, I really like it. I think it's really cool. And yeah, that's awesome. Okay. I also have another color stick right here. Now this one I bought, I know it's a purpley color. This one's called Bittersweet. And this one I bought because I had an eyeliner that was a similar color, but the spring in it that like pushed it up broke. And I was so sad about it. But now I have this one, which is a very similar color. And I love it. It's so cute. Right there. Once again, the color sticks are very versatile. You can use them as eyeliners, lip liners, do some cool like graphic liner stuff. I like them a lot. Okay, now I have a Super Shock shadow, which is part of the Muppets collab. I don't care that much about the Muppets, but I really wanted a green eyeshadow because I realized that I don't really have a good green. I have a lot of like mints, but I don't really have like a solid green. So I saw this and went, you know, let's get a green. So here it is. I think this was part of the Christmas collab, but it's very cute. I like Kermit's little face. It's a very, very pretty color. I like it a lot. Very nice and soft. Ooh, that's so pretty. Ooh, I feel like my camera's not doing it justice, but it's so pretty. It has this like glitter in it, so it's like all shiny when I move. I love that. Gorgeous. Tux, get out of the box. Do I need to remove you from the room? I don't want to kick you out. Oh, he's biting me. Okay. Okay. I have unfortunately had to remove my cat from the room because he's biting me and is getting in the way. Now, what else did I get? Ooh, this looks like a sponge. Let me get it open. Apparently sponges don't have like a packaging, it just comes in this bag. Interesting. But, sponge. Love a good sponge. Wanted another sponge because I only have like 2 of them. So, a nice little mint colored sponge. Love that. And then I got some stuff from the Barbie collab, which I think is so cute. I got these lashes. These are the doll lashes. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, I love them. Oh yeah, here's what they look like. I think they're gorgeous. I love them. Very pretty. I also got a little mirror from the Barbie collab. This one I didn't go into shopping. I didn't go into this expecting to buy a mirror, but I realized that when I'm filming stuff, I need like a mirror that I can hold. Because like I have one little mirror, but it's like, it's not great for holding because it's supposed to be like a little stand. And I don't like trying to do it like on my phone because I film these on my phone, so I don't like trying to like do it in my reflection. So I figured that getting a little hand mirror would be absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard to get stuff out of its packaging? Oh, this is so cute! Look at that. It's just a little cute little mirror. I love that. Oh look, you can see my reflection. Hello me. That's me. And it does have a nice little protective cover on it, which we'll peel off. And now it's all shiny! Yay! I really like the material of this too. It's not like a hard plastic, it's kind of like a soft, like it's not like squishy, but it's like that soft plastic, so like if I drop it, it's not like gonna crack or anything. I love it. It's so cute. And perfect size for doing things. And I have one final product. Unfortunately, this was the one product that was not on sale, but I wanted this for a while and decided, hey, I'm making an order. Might as well buy it. And that is the Just a Flush Cheek Palette, which is right here. It's a bit smaller than I expected, but you know what? That's okay. Oh my gosh, there we go. And here it is. Very cute. I like these colors a lot. So as you can see, it comes with a highlight, a bronzer, and 2 blush colors. Let's try them out. The highlight, oh, I just realized I still have green on my finger, whoops. Ooh, that's a very pretty highlight. I don't know if it'll show up very well on camera, but it's very, very shiny and I really like it. Then we'll go in with the bronzer right next to it, which is very nice. It's a nice subtle shade, which I really like. And then the blushes. I'm starting to run out of room on my arm. That one's just like a light pink. Hold on, let me do it on my hand. There we go. So that one's a nice like light pink. And then the darker pink. Honestly, these look kind of similar. No, they're different. There we go. So they're just a nice little pink tint there, which I really like. And that is my whole haul. It's all sitting here on the floor in front of me. That is where I'm going to wrap up the video today. If you enjoyed this and want to see more fun hauls and makeup looks and other stuff, please go subscribe and leave a like, maybe leave a comment with your favorite one of these products. And I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye!